Alright, so here's the tool kit, the high voltage kit that I bought. It's an Amazon kit. Seems to be pretty good. This is actually a separate piece. This is from Has It. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open this kit up and do a bit of an inspection on everything. So just judging by the way the sockets look, they will definitely do everything I need them to do. The ratchet looks like it's in a pretty good quality ratchet. We got a T-handle, we got an extension. The only drawback to this is it's all 1/2" drive. Why it needs to be 1/2" drive, I don't know, but it is. So I will end up buying a secondary kit that's 3/8 along with a torque wrench. So there's the top. We'll just go ahead and lay that guy right there. Put my adapter in here as well. The next row we have is some Allen wrenches. And these are also insulated. Everything in here is. So we have some very nice looking Allens. They look like they will definitely do what I need them to do. Then we'll move on and see the insulated screwdrivers. Insulated pliers. And finally, some insulated wrenches. Now, I haven't got opportunity to use these just yet, but they do look like they're pretty good quality. And there's our wrench, completely insulated. So I feel like this is a good kit. It's definitely worth the just under $500 I paid for it. So if you're looking for a good HV kit, this FISA kit, it's available on Amazon. I think right now it's out of stock, but they have others. Take a look, check them out, see what you think, and catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.